16 coaches long. Train I ride, 16 coaches long. Well, that long black train got my baby and gone. Train, coming on round the bend. It's taking my baby, it ain't gonna do it again.
Look at those horses, what are they dragging? Heavily guarded, what is that wagon? War wagon, what is it for? War wagon, loaded with gold.
Most men are fighting for a wagon full of gold, scratching and fighting for a wagon full of gold. My piece of land, my cattle brand, a place to rest my head. The feeling of a woman's love are all you really.
Boogie down Route 66. Well, if you ever plan to motor west, take my way, that's the highway, that is the best. Keep your kicks out on Route 66. Well, it winds from Chicago to LA, more than 2,000 miles along the way. Get your kicks out on Route 66. To St. Louis, Joplin, Missouri, Oklahoma City, it sure looks pretty. You should see Amarillo, Gallup, New Mexico, Flagstaff, Arizona, darling, don't forget Winona, Kingman, Barstow, San Bernardino. Once you get hip to this kind of tip, when you take that California trip, get your kicks on Route 66.
To the Batmobile. Let's go.
She's a railroad lady, just a little bit shady, spending her days on the train. She's a semi-good looker, but the fast rails, they took her. Now she's trying, just trying to get home again. South Station in Boston to the stockyards of Austin, from the Florida sunshine to the New Orleans rain. Now that the rail packs have taken the best tracks, she's trying, just trying to get home again. She's a railroad lady, just a little bit shady, spending her days on the train. Once a Pullman car traveler, now the switchman won't have her, and she's trying, just trying to get home again. Once a highballing loner thought he could own her, and he bought her a fur coat and a big diamond ring. But she hocked him for cold cash in the town on the Wabash, never thinking of home way back then. But the rails are now rusty and the dining car's dusty. The gold-plated watches have taken their toll, and the railroads are dying and the lady's crying. On a bus to Kentucky and home, that's her goal. She's a railroad lady, just a little bit shady, spending her days on a train. She's a semi-good looker, but the fast rails, they took her. Now she's trying to get home again. On a bus to Kentucky and home once again.